make it! Welcome to the Let's Make It channel, and today we're going to be making spray paint bubble blow art. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to start with piggy paint and show you how you make it. You need paint, a cup, and you have to make out this little cutout and then write what you want to call it, and then you need a small straw or any kind of straw. First, I'm going to show you how to make the solution. So, you need bubble solution too. So, we're going to pour in a little bit of bubble solution. There. Put it down. And we're going to take a little bit of paint. Ooh, flaky, flaky! And now we're going to take a stirrer, another straw, and we're going to take it and mix it. Is it? Oh, it's working, it's working. And then we're going to get a little more paint. Mix it in with the bubble solution. Now we're going to wait a little while for that to soak. The thing you need to do beforehand is you got to make this little spray paint bottle. It's easy. You need a pencil, scissors, and colored paper. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Now I'm going to give you a couple minutes to make that, and I'm going to stir in my paint into my bubble solution. Now while you do that is we're making bubble blower paint art all over this table. So you also need to put down newspaper, or you can go outside. But we're going to make colorful bubbles. So let's mix together. Now since we've mixed it, take your you need a sharp thingy, and you have a hole. You should have a hole on your thing, so be really careful because you could hurt yourself, but make sure you don't. I'm using this really sharp pointy thingy, and I need to go a little deep. If it breaks, just try to twist it off. Okay, so that's how big your hole should be. Right, Mama? Okay, so we've moved our hole. Now we're gonna poke it through and leave a little bit out, just like that. Now, time for our bubble blow art. Poke in the straw. Ooh, that was pretty. And you don't need to make the spray paint. You can also work with only the straw. So, this is called force. The air in your body is stronger than the water inside on the straw. So when you blow, and you blow on here, and you go slow, it makes a bubble. And then when it hits the table, it pops. Now, I think it's time to move on to duck paint. Put it in, and it makes splatters all over the bubble. Put it in one bubble, and then blow on it, and it makes a big splotch of paint. Now, which one should we do now? Bunny paint or snake paint? I'm kind of feeling snake. I'm gonna do snake. And it's always fun to get a little messy. It's time for the purple. And you know the drill. Oh, that's so pretty. Now I'm gonna mix up my purple. Ooh, it's pretty. That's a little bit of spit. Look at that. Do not suck it in. It tastes disgusting. So after you painted, you have to let it dry, and it will look like this. Now, this is what it looks like. It looks so good. You can make it as gifts, you can make it as presents, and you can cut little pieces out of it and make little mini canvases for dolls, like they painted little splotch paint. Now, thank you for watching our video. Goodbye. Subscribe to our channel and like this video, and give this video a thumbs up, and smash that like button. Goodbye.